I'm out here in the middle of nowhere, Nevada, and I was driving out here and there were miles of gravel road, and I showed up to this incredible place that you guys call Gunshot Helicopters. Would you mind telling our audience a little bit more about what you guys do here and what you plan to do moving forward?
Okay, easy question. But yeah, we're out here, but we're not that far out here. But this is the closest they let us shoot a minigun from a helicopter to the strip, so pretty reasonable. But yeah, just out here in the desert, it's about realistically a 40-minute drive. So good with friends. If you spend enough, we drive you kind of like, you know, anyone in town would. But the short version is we kind of started with capturing a feeling. So active military service, there's points in your memories where you really had a good time. You know, doing more than mopping and, you know, the standard military stuff. And that's kind of what we captured, is just a feeling.
Like I said, I work with Pequot Manufacturing. We're a tool and die precision manufacturing corporation. We're in northern Minnesota. We've been in business for 40 years. This is actually our anniversary year, so very proud to be part of it and be here today.
And you know, fire industry is kind of you know, sometimes like everything struggled, you know, with having available labor and going for those markets. And with the SWs, we're able to bridge a lot of those skill gaps, bring in the higher volume, bringing in the production, and bringing in the quality that the customers are looking for. So it's been a great fit for us.
You know, it started off with my grandfather before I was born, and they, I believe, had a couple of different projects doing some parts and pieces for sauna and maybe deer hangers and some other weird items, but fabrication, that sort of thing.
What was your experience like today?
Oh, it was absolutely unreal. I had such an amazing time. To get up in the air and then on top of being, you know, flying in a Apache helicopter, to be able to shoot a machine gun, unbelievable.
It
Loved
sounds
it.
like that was your favorite part.
Yeah, absolutely. Shooting the one of the MBs, I think, was amazing as well.
Well, I've definitely been into your facility in Minnesota a couple of times. Once when it was tough and there was snow all over the ground, and a couple other times when it was beautiful in summer, right? Are you invested in one of the famous SW machines with the dual or quad spindles to really up that manufacturing? Is that what you're looking at? Or are you looking at one of the models that have that single spindle and that powerful German manufacturing?
I think we would like to look at the multiple spindle machines. Do more with less.
Well, you've been in business for over 40 years now, actually 40 years, and this is your anniversary from what I've heard. And you are a gun manufacturer, and you know what's really great about what you do is there's a lot of automation and everything that you, but tell me we're not all trying to do more with less, right? We're all fighting a skills gap, we're all trying to produce more, we're all trying to run through the night, and SW is a great partner for that, aren't they?
Absolutely. You know, as you mentioned, the workforce, it's hard to get people. And some of the jobs that we have, unfortunately, are considered mundane. And who wants to do the same thing every day, you know, for day in and day out? Whereas the opportunity for lights out machining, around the clock, 24/7, true 24/7, they have it. And that's what we want.
Well, I'm excited to see what you create with Andrew and SW, and I wish you all the success moving forward. Really a fantastic company.